All right, so this is lesson number 3 with personality science. This is the number one skill that you need to have as a leader to really engage with your individuals in your team and in your workforce. So let's dive into this one. We're going to cover the first trait in the OCEAN acronym, openness. What is openness? Understanding what openness is going to be very important for you to be able to engage with people who are high in this personality, middling in this personality, meaning score about in the 50 percentile, or 0 in the percentile. They don't have this particular trait. You need to understand that this trait is made up of 2 traits called aesthetics and intellect. Let's dive into what those look like. So this is our openness character here, and the first character trait is aesthetics. Here are some of the things that we're going to delve into in each one of these traits. Of the 5 traits, they're going to have a perception quality. Who is it that they're perceiving? What are they perceiving? And the other one will be behavior. What is the behavior that they tend to? So in the aesthetics, openness to aesthetics, people are seeing the beauty of things. They're finding the feeling in things. They like the artistry of things. They appreciate the awe. These are the people that are going to go, wow, whoa, and be excited about all of these things. It's not that the people that are lower in this trait aren't capable of these kinds of things, of appreciating beauty and art and music and things like that. It's just that these people they look for it. They're constantly looking for it in things, and they sort of process the world through those things. So that's the key here, is these type of people have the primary focus in their perception of looking for awe and beauty. They kind of live for it. If they don't have it, it feels negative to them. When they have it, they feel really positive. They're people that are high in the aesthetics subtrait are going to be creative. They're going to be constantly trying to improve the artistry, the looks of things, and they're going to be lost in thought and contemplation and about the emotion, the meaning, and the feeling of things that are generated by the things around them. So again, these are the tendencies that they have. They feel good when they're in this zone. They pursue these zones. They tend to not feel good if they don't have these things. So that's what the aesthetics subtrait is focused on. Now, openness to intellect. Let's dive into what their perceptual frame is. They tend to have idea focus. They tend to be looking at new ways of doing things, and they tend to look at the purpose behind things, the whys. Why are we doing it this way? Why does it fit together this way? Could it be better? So they're constantly tinkering with the idea side of things. It's very creative as well, but it tends to be creative on the idea side of things rather than on the appearance of things. So their behaviors, what do they try to do? What do they tend to do? They tend to debate ideas. And so people that aren't high in this trait can be threatened or misunderstand them. Like, why do you keep pressing this idea? On a team, they could be the person that's like, why are you constantly upsetting the apple cart? They're bored with the normal. So they're not actually great at doing routine things over and over again. They're going to be constantly itching to do it a better way, a new way, a different way. Sometimes they're going to try a new way and fail just because it's a new way. But they sometimes will hit upon new and creative ways that will be more efficient, more productive. They tend to think lots. So their behavior is always thinking, strategizing, and they just enjoy that, okay? So these type of people, again, it's not that the other people can't do that. These people just feel at home. They feel comfortable, at ease. If things aren't this way, you get a little bit, there's a discomfort for this personality. So these are the perceptions and behaviors of the intellect. And so if you're high in both of these, you can see how that would combine to a very thoughtful, artistic, research-based, very curious personality. So